Hi there. Welcome to week 24 of reading. I can't believe we're week 24. That means we only have about 12 weeks of school left. So this week, when we get into our story, it'll be called The Black Stone. Um, we're going to be keeping with our theme of emotions. So this story is going to be a little bit different than the other stories we've read as far as emotions go. Throughout our first few stories, we have dealt more with happy emotions than we have sad emotions. But we have talked about some sad things here and there. But for the most part, our message or the themes of our stories have been that of happy or excitement. This story, The Black Stones, however, deals a lot with anger and just overall not being very happy. So, as we read the story this week, we are going to get a much different tone. Remember, we spoke over the past few weeks about what tone is. Tone is what the story sounds like to the reader or to the listener. So, whereas with Aunt Maggie and with Sarah, when we read 11 Teen, generally the tone was happy. Everybody was excited, was having fun, or was looking forward to something. This story, Black Stone, will definitely hear a different tone. So we will hear some words that show us that somebody is not happy. When we do the story this week, we'll be zooming Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Wednesday and Friday, you will see on Teams, those will be reading A to Z links. So please make sure that we're following that Zoom schedule. Our story is going to have more of a traditional look to it in that it will have our glossary and our table of contents, and it will also have those bold-faced words throughout the story. So a lot of those text features that we rely on to help us um, comprehend and understand the story will be available to us again this week. So that is why we will be zooming 3 days. Monday, we will focus more on looking at the text features and using those to get us set up for the reading that we will do on Tuesday and Thursday. And again, Wednesday and Friday on your own, you will be doing reading A to Z. As far as reading A to Z goes, remember we did level testing last week. So you may be seeing some different stories. For some of you, they may look very similar. The how long the story may be might be the same. The messages in the story may be the same. However, for a few of you, your stories may look very different. It really just depends on the level that you're at. Some people may have went from stories that had just a few words onto a page and the words were much larger to stories where you have a lot more words on the page and the words are smaller. Regardless, whatever stories are on your reading A to Z account, that is what you were to read. Townsend went through and made sure everybody's that needed to be updated was. So if you have any questions or any problems or concerns when you get into reading A to Z, please send me a chat or Miss Townsend. She'll be able to help you as well. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started with reading for the week. If this is your first time checking out the video, make sure you're logging in at 10:20 for our Zoom on Monday, and then also Tuesday and Thursday Zoom will be at 10:20 as well. Wednesday and Friday are reading A to Z. Do it whenever you feel you have the time to get it done.